Hello everyone. You know when you have those days and you can't be to put on makeup, but you need to get out and your face look like this? Yeah. I am going to do a quick, super fast, lazy get ready with me. I'm even in my tracksuit. I'm just going to go to the supermarket and the bank, but I want to do something fast, simple, and I'm going to tell you how many products I'm going to use because I haven't counted them, and I should have counted them before I started my video. 6 products I'm going to use. An SPF, I'm going to use a concealer, some blusher, some bronzer, a highlighter, and a lip glossy, what are they called, matte lipstick. So let's begin. My SPF is the Clinique, what's it called, City Block. I love this. This is not greasy. It has a little bit of color on it, so that looks really, you know, like you've put some kind of foundation on or whatever on. So I put this on. It gets absorbed very, very quickly, and I'm going to show, it is a bit like dewy. Well, let's say dewy, and I'll show you what it looks like when I put it on. This is the amount I'm going to put on my face. You see, it has a color. So this is what your face looks like after the foundation, after the SPF goes on. So it's going to take a few seconds to get absorbed. Just a little bit of coverage. It does feel a little bit tacky. So I don't know, if you don't like that, you won't like this, but I don't like greasy SPFs, and this one is not greasy. So now I'm going to put on some concealer. Now the concealer I'm wearing is this one. It's the double wear concealer. This number, I don't know, I can't see what it is. I'm partially sighted. I'm just going to put a little bit on places that I don't like have a little spot here, a spot here, and just a bit to cover up, and I'm going to buff them in. So I'm using this Real Techniques buffer brush just to put this, just make it go in just a little bit. I don't want to do anything. I'm so lazy. You can even tell my hair is like a mess. Who cares? It's one of those days. Okay, so I'm just going to go over my whole face now. I think I've put that in. My bronzer is the Laura Mercier 02. It's this color. It's dummy proof, I think. I'm just going to put a little bit, act as if I'm contouring. I use a big Echo Tools brush under my cheeks, a little bit the top here, and then okay. Now I've got a bit of color. Now my blusher is this one here. It has 3 colors. I'm going to use this for blush and for the eyes. So just a little bit of this second color on my cheeks. I don't even know what color that is, but I think it should be a bit springy, so that's all right. Just a bit. I'm gonna blend everything in a minute. Okay. Now my what's it called? Highlighter is the Bobbi Brown Pink Glow. I really like it. This is what it looks like up close. I'm just going to put a little bit. Here. Yeah, just to get that on my face, and then a bit here, a bit here, a bit here, a bit here, a bit on the eyelid, just to give them a little bit of, actually I'm going to use this on my eyes because I can't be. Just a bit of colour. And see, it's very highlighty. Hang on, let me go in the inner corner because I'm always dark there. But anyway, it's only Tesco. I'm not going anywhere. Although you never know what could happen at Tesco. Just kidding. So I'll just see how this looks. My lip lacquer is from the Nudes line from Primark. I'm just going to put some on so you can see what it looks like, and I'll finish off camera. So, don't want to get smudged. And there you have it, my 5-6 products just to get out of the house quickly. Nothing much. It's not amazing. It's just, you know what, I just flatten out my eyebrows as well. I haven't even put on mascara because I don't need it. I'm just going to be wearing my sunnies. So yeah, let me know if you were only supposed to use 6 products on your face, what would they be? What do you never leave the house without? It would be nice to have a little conversation in the comments below. So yeah, do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Trying to grow my channel. It's very hard. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.